Hello smart kids, you know what? You all are becoming smarter and smarter day by day. So let's make you more smarter. In this video, we are going to learn three alphabet, that is J, K and L. So I am having some friends of all these three alphabets. Let's show you that their friends. This is Chuck, J for Chuck, and one more friend of J alphabet, that is your favorite, Jam, J for Jam. And now let's go to the K's friend, that is K for Kite, and K for Keys. But you know what? I don't have the friend of L alphabet, that is Lion, because I am very afraid of lion. But I have L for leaf. I have 3 leaf with me, L for leaf. So now let's work in our workbook and notebook. See student, this is our workbook. First of all, we will trace this J. One number line, that is standing line, and then slant curve, and then 2 number line. Then we will move our pencil from 1 number line, standing line, go down, and curve, go up, and then 2 number line. Okay, now we are going to trace all these J in this 2 line and start with this red point, standing line, go down, curve and sleeping line. Fine. Like this we are going to trace all these J, and then we are going to write here. Start with this red point, standing line, go down and then curve, and then do one sleeping line. Like this you have to complete all these boxes. Then turn your page. This is alphabet K. K for kite, K for key and K for kangaroo. Write down the date and CW. Then we are going to trace this K with the help of finger. 1 number line, that is standing line, 2 number line, slanting line, and second slanting line, go down. We will trace this K with the help of pencil. 1 number line, then 2 number line and go down. Like this we are going to trace all these K. K for kite. You have to speak and write. K for kite, K for kite, K for kite. Like this you have to trace all these K, and then we are going to write here. Start with this red point. Do one standing line, and then slanting line and another slanting line. Right? We will repeat this exercise like this. K for kite, and then now move to the next alphabet, that is L alphabet. L. L for lion, L for lotus and L for lamb. Again we are going to trace this L with the help of finger. Standing line and sleeping line. Again with the help of pencil. Standing line and sleeping line. This alphabet is very easy to write. Standing line and sleeping line. We already done the patterns lines. In that we have done standing line and sleeping line. So writing of L alphabet is very easy. Right? Like this we are going to trace all these L, and then we are going to write here. Start with this red point, standing line and sleeping line. standing line and sleeping line. L for lion. Now we are going to move in our notebook. See, this is the page of our notebook. I have written 3 times J. As we work in our workbook, we are going to do same exercise in our notebook. First of all, we are going to start with a standing line. Start with the red line. Do one standing line. Go up to second blue line and turn. And then do sleeping line on red line. Standing line, turn and sleeping line. Standing line, turn and sleeping line. Again we are going to do same exercise. Standing line, turn and sleeping line. Standing line, turn, sleeping line. J for jug. You can draw jug over here like this. This is J for jug. Okay. Now move to the next page. Next alphabet. K. K for kite. First of all, we are going to draw kite. K for kite. Now start writing. Start from this red line, standing line, slanting line, second slanting line, standing line and 2 slanting line. Again standing line and 2 slanting line. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. And K for kite. You have to follow these instructions for writing K and finish full page. Okay, now I am moving to the next alphabet, that is L. L for lion, but I am drawing L for leaf as we seen before. L for leaf. Standing line and sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. L for leaf. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line and sleeping line. Again standing line, sleeping line. L for leaf.